My name is PERCY. I'm an installation artist. It has made me thought about people's presence, and also if the audience are not around, how am I going to, my work is going to interact with them. So it makes me look at certain kind of interventions that I can use to implement or do my works, so that people, if they are online or like anywhere in the country, they can easily relate with my work. Not always about like the presence, but also the virtual. How can people who are not around can also interact with my work? Chale Wote has been good, because looking at the past years, like for me, every year there is this kind of improvement. I think it's been 3 years since I participated, because I started around 2018 or so. Yeah. So this year, I think this year will be the 4th year or so. Yeah. For my work this year, this is part of a series that I'm doing, and it's titled AKOMA. So I mainly I was looking at second-hand fabrics and also second-hand car parts that have been discarded. Yeah, so I chanced upon a car engine, and this engine was going to be recycled or was discarded. So I was much interested in it, because looking at the engine, it has been working like for years, and it gets to a point where it's not working again. So I look at the engine to not like being dead, but also having a new form of life through my works. So when I do the work, I look at how this object that has been discarded can also take on new lives and new forms. I also saw the press release. Yeah, I think like they should have exercised patience. I think they were talking about it, and I don't know what happened. Yeah, so the street also, like, you know, Chale Wote is not for one person, no. It's for the street, it's for the community. So everything, like if we want to do something to affect the community, definitely they will rise. So I think it was a bad idea. They were supposed to sit at a round table and discuss everything, but I don't know what went wrong. But that was not good. Yeah, that was not good.